All right, so you've decided to start a garden? Congrats on embracing your inner plant parent. But hold up. Before you go full Martha Stewart and start planting heirloom tomatoes, we need to talk about a very important decision: raised garden beds. Yes, those fancy little plots of soil with neat edges that scream, "I know what I'm doing." Spoiler: the bed you choose can mean the difference between thriving veggies or sad wilted plants asking for a refund. Now, I know what you're thinking. How complicated can a box of dirt really be? We're about to dive into a world of options. You've got wood, metal, even self-watering ones because plants apparently deserve more pampering than we give ourselves. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you through this maze of garden bed choices and zero judgment for your black thumb past. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bed is worthy of your future bumper crop of zucchini. Let's dig in, pun intended. To kick this off, let's take a look at the best galvanized metal raised garden beds. The great thing about galvanized steel garden beds is that they are very affordable, easy to assemble, look great, and they're super durable. The galvanized coating ensures that the metal will last a long time without becoming rusty or starting to deteriorate. These galvanized metal raised garden beds come in two sizes. The 8-foot by 4-foot to make a large raised bed is perfect for a large vegetable garden, or the 6-foot by 3-foot raised garden bed might be a better choice for a small backyard. Next, the best above-ground cedar garden bed option is this cedar garden bed. It is 30 inches tall and makes gardening a breeze. No more bending over or kneeling while gardening. The wooden garden bed is easy to assemble and requires no tools. The elevated wood planter box is made from high-quality cedar. Cedar is known for its durability and the natural ability to resist rotting. It's 4 feet by 2 feet, which makes it the perfect size for a smaller backyard or patio. If you need an inexpensive raised garden bed, your best bet is to build your own DIY raised garden. It is the cheapest option, and it's a project that almost anyone can handle. These raised garden bed frames can be built and filled in just a few hours. So how do you go about building a DIY raised garden bed? To learn more about building your own, check out the step-by-step plans and video tutorial on my channel. Next, wood pallet raised garden beds are another great DIY option. You can easily repurpose old pallets for your raised garden beds. This is a great budget-friendly option, especially if you already have access to wood pallets. If you'd prefer a more elegant look, rattan-style raised garden beds are always in style. This rattan-style raised garden bed by Cedar comes in 2 colors, graphite or brown. Its smaller size makes it perfect for limited space areas such as a balcony or small patio, 44.9 inches by 19.4 inches and 29.8 inches tall. And it's self-watering. Well, sort of. This garden bed uses a water reservoir with an easy-to-read water gauge. The design is actually really simple. When you water the plants, excess water is collected in a water reservoir in the bottom of the planter. The reservoir keeps the soil and plants hydrated between waterings. When the gauge shows that the reservoir is getting low, it's time to water again. How about a raised garden bed with its own greenhouse cover? The Denjani Outdoor Raised Garden Bed with Greenhouse protects your plants from extreme weather while keeping bugs and critters out. This kit includes a 47-inch by 36-inch raised garden bed and a greenhouse cover that is 49 inches tall. The greenhouse cover allows you to extend the growing season and increase your yields. Built-in zipper vents allow you to create more airflow in hotter weather. If you are limited on space, this next one is the best for small gardens, the trough planter. This small Corinthian trough planter from Amazon is a great option. It's 18 inches by 4 inches and 4 inches tall. It's not exactly a full-on raised garden bed, but it still gives you more garden real estate than most pots, and looks way better. The classic home and garden Corinthian trough planter is made from out of resin stone. The manufacturer takes stone dust and blends it with resin and silicone to make a durable but lighter weight material. It's 5 times lighter than concrete. In addition to this ivory ash color, the Corinthian trough planter is also available in oil-rubbed bronze, storm, light blue, state blue, desert, a neutral tan, and onyx. Next, the EZ'd Grow raised garden bed is made from a proprietary fabric material that is highly durable, UV resistant, and provides exceptional airflow throughout the soil. This helps the root system stay healthy and allows excessive moisture to drain away easily. Easy GRO fabric garden beds are available in a variety of sizes, ranging from 2 feet by 2 feet, all the way up to 4 feet by 8 feet. And they're affordable too. These garden beds require no assembly and are ready to go out of the box. Once you have a raised garden bed picked out, don't forget to add a DIY automatic drip watering system. See my related video on how to set that up. It has all the information you need to install an automatic drip irrigation system in your garden. Plus, it's easy to install and way cheaper than you'd think. I hope one of these raised garden bed styles will work perfectly for your vegetable garden or flower garden this year. Follow for more home improvement content and happy gardening!